Good morning, class. Children, this is our mathematics class, class 3rd. Today we are going to do page number 34. These are story sums. So 8 sums are given on this page. One by one, I will read and explain the question to you and then I will solve and you will learn how to solve it. Okay, we are going to start with story sums. Just I am sharing the page with you. Okay, children. The first sum is a toy shop has 150 cars and 101 trains. It has 45 more dolls than the number of cars and trains together. How many dolls does the shop have? So children, we can see that there are cars, trains and dolls. So first of all, we have to add the numbers of cars and trains. Then only we can get the number of dolls in the shop, because in the question we have to give the answer of number of dolls the shop have. The shop have 45 more dolls than the total number of cars and trains. So first of all, we will add 150 and 101. Then we will add 45 to it. So we can say that all the three numbers we will add to get the answer. So it is already done in the book also. 150 plus 101 and 45. The answer is 296. And we have not to write the statements of the question. Only in answer we will write the statement like this. The shop has 296 dolls. In the same way we will do the remaining sums. So now children, as you can see that there are no numbers given on the sum. So first of all, we will put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this way, it will be easy to learn that which sum number we are doing now. Now question number 2. For the first show of a circus, 473 tickets were sold. For the second show, 525 tickets were sold. What was the total number of tickets sold? So as in the last line the question is given, while reading this question 2-3 times, you can get the solution that what you have to do here. The main thing in the story sums, first of all, we should identify what we have to do, which operator we have to use, whether we have to do plus the numbers or subtract the number. So 2-3 times you read the story sums, then you will get the main theme of the sum, that what you have to do there. So again I am reading. For the first show of a circus, 473 tickets were sold. For the second show, 525 tickets were sold. So in these 2 times the tickets were sold and we have to tell the total number of tickets sold. So we will add the numbers. In this way you can see this is question number 2. And children, when you will write the question, no need to write, when you will do the work in the notebook, no need to write the complete story, no need to write the complete question. In this way you can write the question, the first word of the sum, and then put dots or dash in between and write the last word of the sum. This is sold. And now we will give the solution of the sum. In the solution we have to add both numbers. The first number is 473 and the other number is 525, and we will add these two numbers like this. 3 plus 5 8, 7 plus 2 9, and 4 plus 5 again it is 9. And in the answer we will write the statement. The statement is 998 tickets were sold. 998 tickets were sold. Now we will come to the third question. The question is, a cobbler mended 23 shoes on Monday, 34 shoes on Tuesday and 22 shoes on Wednesday. So we can see that these 3 days are there. On these days the cobbler mended the shoes. different number of shoes he has mended on these 3 days. How many shoes did he mend in all? Again, we will add the numbers. As I shown you in the second question, you will write the question like this only. First word and the last word of the question, and then you will give the solution. 23 shoes on Monday. He mended 34 shoes on Tuesday and 22 shoes on Wednesday. So we will add these three numbers to get the total number of shoes mended by the cobbler. 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. 4 and 3, 7. The answer is 79 shoes. So for the answer, we will write the statement. The cobbler mended 79 shoes. "79 shoes in all." Now come to the next question. Fourth, Meenakshi is 7 years old. Her brother is 11 years old. Their mother's age is 21 years more than the sum of their ages. How old is their mother? So we can say in the question, we have to tell the age of their mother. And in the question, Meenakshi is 7 years old. Her brother is 11 years old. Their mother's age is 21 years more than the sum of their ages. So first of all, we have to add their ages of children as 7 and 11, and then their mother is 21 years more than their sum. So we will add all the three numbers together and we will get the age of their mother. 7, question number 4, 7 plus 11 and 21. 8, 9, this is 3, 39. So we have got the age of their mother. This is 39 years. We will write this answer in the statement. Their mother is 39 years old. Children, now we will do remaining 4 sums. I am sharing next blank page with you to do the remaining 4 sums. Yes, question number 5. In a school, the girls planted 232 saplings, the boys planted 156 more saplings than the girls. Then the girls did. How many saplings did the boys plant? So in the question, children, girls planted 232 saplings, whereas boys planted 156 more saplings than the girls. And we have to find out the number of saplings planted by the boys. So we will calculate, we will add both the numbers. Question number 5. 232 saplings were planted by the girls and 156 more saplings planted by the boys. So we have to calculate the total number of saplings planted by the boys. This is 8, 8 and 3. The answer is 388. Again, we will write the answer in the statement. The boys planted 388 saplings. The boys planted 388 saplings. Now we will come to the question number 6. This is Mr. Ganeshan bought 400 blue bulbs, 260 red bulbs and 125 yellow bulbs on Diwali. How many bulbs did he buy altogether? So Mr. Ganeshan bought 400 blue bulbs, 260 red bulbs and 125 yellow bulbs on Diwali. We have to add all the three types of number of bulbs together to get the total number of bulbs bought by Mr. Ganeshan. So 400 plus 260 red bulbs and 125 yellow bulbs. We will add all these three numbers. 5, 5, 8. I will take dark color, children, because it is very, yes, 5, 8, 7. The answer is 785. We will write the answer in the statement. The uh, he bought 785 bulbs altogether. He means Mr. Ganeshan. He bought 785 bulbs altogether. Now children, question number 7. A milk van was carrying 4,235 packets of toned milk and 1,260 packets of flavored milk. How many packets was it carrying altogether? Here also we have to add both types of milk number of packets together. This is 4,300, 4,235 packets of toned milk and 1,260 packets of flavored milk. We have to count both types of packets together. This is 5, 3 plus 6, 9, 2 plus 2, 4, and this is 5. The answer is 5,495. A van was carrying 5,495 packets of milk. Okay children, last one sum is your homework. I am reading this sum. I am explaining it here in the video. A florist is flower seller, bought 1,240 pink roses, 1,135 yellow roses, and 1,510 white roses. How many roses did he buy in total? So here there are three types of roses and we have to tell the total number of roses. For counting the total number of roses, we will add all the three types of number of roses together. In three lines, we will write the numbers like this. 1,240. In the second line, we will write 1,135 yellow roses. And in the third line, we will write the third number 1,510, and then we will put the plus operator and we will add all the three numbers, then we will get the answer. This is your homework. Only last sum I am giving you for the homework. You do it, and in the class we will discuss this page again. Okay, and you will get the PDF of this work in your MS Teams. So with this I am concluding this video. Bye everybody and take care of you. Bye.